Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Friday, January 23rd, 2014. I want to bring to your attention an inverse head and shoulders on an intraday time frame on Schlumberger, SLB. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to flip over to the 10-minute chart here on SLB, and you're going to see very, very clearly a head and shoulders inverse pattern. What kind of action is an inverse head and shoulders? It's a bullish pattern formation. Now, it hasn't broken yet, so you got to see the breakout occur, but very clearly, here's a shoulder, here's a head, and here's a shoulder. And what you want to do is you want to take the neckline and connect it, which is right here. You want to connect it to that high pivot right there, all right? So very clearly, shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. And assuming this breaks to the upside, and again, it hasn't yet, so be aware that it needs to break to trigger, but assuming it does, then guess what? You literally have an upside potential. Let's take a look. 76 to 83, that's $7, so you would add 7 here. You'd be looking at around $88 to $90 target on Schlumberger if this can break out, folks. And again, $88 to $90 on Schlumberger. That would actually send it up towards this pivot high right here, maybe even a little bit higher. But again, very clear to see here. Doesn't take a genius to spot this. Inverse head and shoulders. This is what we do at InTheMoneyStocks.com. We look for technical chart patterns, high percentage setups, and we play them. And believe it or not, I'm in Schlumberger options right now. I've been in calls for a while, already up over 50% on these beauties. And again, I expect to really make 100% on this or more when it heads towards target. So again, awesome stuff. I love the strength in Schlumberger over the last few days, even with oil hovering near its lows. And again, we should continue to see some great price action here. Today, if you're with us at InTheMoneyStocks.com, and we have a service called the Options Alerts, I took a 30% gain on options already, so great job there. And again, as I said, we're up on these Schlumberger options over 50% at this point in time. All right, guys, again, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. If you want options trades, join the options alerts. If you want swing trades, you join this research center. If you want day trading chat action, live chat, live charts, you join the intraday stock chat. Come join us here and profit with us.